Wednesday 22nd April 2020. Coronavirus quarantine projects, keeping myself busy. So today, small project to work on the hose pipe, to replace the hose pipe. So what are we doing? We have an existing pipe which is very old. Actually, it's quite a long one, but you can see it's got kinks in it. It's not fun working with this hose pipe. So the idea is to replace with a wall mounted one. It's quite heavy actually, this. It's quite a bit of weight. I think at least 15 kilos. So yeah, I hope this goes on the wall. Quite easy actually. It's just a matter of putting 4 screws. The concern I have is these screws are nice and thick, but pretty long enough for this wall where I'm hoping to mount it next to the tap. The problem is it's a pebble dashed wall, so it's not a flat surface. So I think I might need to get longer screws. I'll start off with these and see how it holds. Yeah, let's start. Basically, this goes on the wall, and that's it really. Just 4 screws, level it, put it there, and this thing then just slides in, and it's got a pull mechanism, and it retreats itself. You just give it a tug like one of those Dyson hoovers. So yeah, let fun begin. So installed in 20 minutes. Gosh, for years I've been holding off little things like this, projects like this, but yeah, it took 20 minutes to do it, and quite happy with the result actually. So right, so that's how it looks. I think still got a bit of leak here. I've actually ordered a metallic version of this with the 4 outlets. So hopefully we'll receive that in a few days time, and we'll extend that, use some of the old pipe to do a permanent feed into the garden, and possibly a feed at the front to clean the car as well. So we'll cut some of that pipe, and if that project works, then I might replace that with the plastic plumber's pipe. But anyhow, the main thing is this. Quite happy with this. Looks quite solid. Measurements, guys, measurements. Have to do as many as you can. Look, I messed up slightly here. Had I measured this, then I would have moved this another inch on the right. So then this unit would have flushed with that with this wall. But anyhow, I left a little gap there. But anyhow, result is quite good. Quite happy with that. Just pulls out, stays still, and not very good quality. I'll be replacing the head as well on this. But yeah, look, little tug, let go, and it feeds back in. How's that? Well pleased. Yeah, yeah, looks good. Excellent work. So let's test this. Feed that into the garden. Oops, see, hammer on the floor, nearly tripped over. Let's move that. So let's see. That's 35 meters. Wow. So yeah, I'm almost there. Almost at the edge of my garden. Yeah, still going. So no, I think it's got a little tug. That's why it's winding up. So I've got to hold it, I guess. No, it's still winding. Yeah, still. There you go. Let's turn it on. Yeah, I think the leak is probably more on the tap. It's from here, so maybe the valve's gone, needs to be changed. Right, let's see. The pressure is not that great in the house, so I have to find a solution to that as well. There you go. Let's leave that here. Actually, let's see if I can turn it off from here. Hard with one hand. Right, gonna let's turn it off and give it a little tug and see if it winds itself up. Let's turn that off. And a little tug, and there you go. Oh, careful, it might hit me. Oh, lucky. Yeah. That was on basic. So 100 quid for 35 meters, not bad. There was a better version available from a different manufacturer, about 150 quid, but it was not available till a week or 10 days. So yeah, got that done. Cheers.